I'm just waiting for those. I'm just waiting for her. Hi, ma'am.
Hello. Hi.
Hello.
Finally. Hi.
I'm. Hello.
Fi- Hello.
Yeah.
Can, can
Finally,
you see
finally, I
me
can see
now?
you. मैम आपका ये थोड़ा इसमें what you say लैंडस्केप में can you just turn it?
एक्चुअली मैंने सेम टाइम पे चार्जिंग को लगाया है अभी. दैट इज ओके फाइन. और शुड आई मेक इट स्ट्रेट इट्स. हेलो. हेलो.
हम लोग को पूरा टाइम टेढ़ा दिखाई दोगे.
ठीक है अभी.
या यस यस.
बट आई हैव टू कैच कॉन्स्टेंटली देन.
ओके.
नाउ इट्स ओके.
या नाउ इट्स टोटली फाइन.
आई हैव टू
I'm
होल्ड
so
इट ऑन
glad to
माय
see you
हैंड.
after so long. I guess I saw you last at in that Theraband workshop.
एग्जैक्टली.
Yeah, I guess Priyanka ma'am ka tha.
यस यस.
And we were behaving so weird with each other because we were strangers. It was so
No,
awkward.
that time actually you need to rush out. That's the reason I guess you train. Hello.
Yeah. Chalo
So
then, should we start?
हाँ चलेगा. No problem. We can start. Let's see. Maximum of your participants are there or not.
Right now they are around 47.
So should we start then?
Yeah, we should because it will be too late if we wait for everyone.
No, we can wait for 5 minutes
Just
if
give
you
me a
want.
minute. Just give me a minute.
Okay.
Yeah, fine.
Mm-hmm.
Guys, am I audible to you all? Please show me a thumbs up that I'm audible to you all. Yes. Fine then. Should we start?
Yeah, no problem. How many participants are there now?
No, no, you are not audible. You aren't audible.
I am audible, correct?
No, no, you are not.
I am not. Why it is happening? Now.
You need to remove the earphones. Yeah. Now you're audible.
Okay, no problem. Then I think we should
Fine?
start. Okay, what after graduation?
Sorry.
So, are you
Just a
getting
minute. Huh?
what I'm saying right now?
Guys, are we audible to you all? We both are audible to you all? Okay, both are audible. Let's go on
Both are
then.
audible. Okay,
I guess you
okay, okay.
हम दोनों की फोन में प्रॉब्लम है.
Yes, maybe हो सकता है.
चलो.
चलो, then
Ma'am, so
we start with.
first, before we start, I want you all to know she is Dr. Sita Singh. She's a master's in ortho. She has a master's of physiotherapy in ortho. She is also a clinical nutritionist, and she is working as a senior physiotherapist in Shreyas Polyclinic in Mumbai. Right, ma'am?
Yes.
Right? Okay. So basically, before we start, many of the people right now who are available, they mostly they are from third or fourth year, and there will be like 40% people who are about to complete the internships right now. So,
Okay.
what do you want to suggest to them? Like, where should they start from?
Okay. That's why we are here for the discussion. Correct. It will be more of interactive rather than just a lecture type. Okay. So what after graduation? It is a actually very important question that maximum physios they think about it. Now we had four options. What we can do. First, we can enter into clinics or hospital job where we can start up our own career. And second thing, anybody has interest in the faculty, then they can resume for the job. But before that, the minimum criteria for working as a lecturer, now it is master's. Initially, it was BPT. After BPT, people were resumed as a lecturer there. Sometimes even the hospitals, they used to appoint the bachelors just to work under them
Yes.
after bachelor's. Okay, now thing is, if you really want to go for faculty, if you are interested, my opinion and advice is you go for the master's where you have the area of interest. If you are interested in ortho, do with master in ortho. If you are interested in sports, complete your mastery in sports, and then you can enter, because there are UGC norms which get updated right now. Initially, it was different. Now it has updated. Third thing, there is something called a PG diploma in hospital management and healthcare management. Again, there is pharmaceutical management. The fourth thing is hospital infotech, where we can do the PG, post-graduation diploma. But these things are comes under non-clinical aspect, where after studying 4 years, I don't think so maximum physios are going for that. But still there are physio who are going into PG diplomas. Okay. Then the fourth option is if you had a very good financial background, then you can go for your abroad studies, abroad job. Abroad study and abroad job is a very wide topic. We cannot cover in just 1 hour. Every country has their own criteria and own their needs, their subjects, their point of view to work. Everything is different from countries to countries. So the eligibility of getting master study only if you are going for master is different, but if you are going along with master, you want to work there, the criteria get differ. So I think we'll cover this topic in another webinar. The abroad related study and abroad related job. Both of them, if you want to do, we'll cover this in another webinar. You can coordinate with this thing. Right now we are going to focus on first two things. How to improve your position, how you can improve your skill in your clinical way and in your this faculties. These two will focus, because even the third one where you do post-graduation management study, which is again 2 years course plus 6-month internship. Again, the fee structures vary here. PG diploma, if you're doing in hospital management, healthcare management, or hospital infotech, it is all 2 years and 6-month internship is there. Again, I think the fees varies from 7 to 10 lakh rupees. Then online campus, when they are recruiting physios, you can grab the salary for say 6 lakhs per annum till 12 lakhs per annum in hospital management. But since it's a non-clinical, mostly physios are not going there. Physios are focusing more in clinics and as a faculty job. Now, for completing or for pursuing any faculty, you will going to have as I told you, master is important. Yes. Now you have to check your area of interest is where you have interest in your orthopedic, pediatric, neuro, geriatric. Nowadays, women health, it is very much getting uplifted. Now the girls, the females are getting more, they are more obsessed like what to do before pregnancy, after pregnancy. So the scope of area in women's health is improving. Pelvic floor exercises, these things are getting better. So if you really want to go in community health, there's community physiotherapy or women physiotherapy that mostly deals with the gynec topic. You can go there, you can complete your masters in this, and then you, after studying master also, along with studies, you can do job also. If you are going for your PhD, Abhi, even in master, we know we have 2 years in Dean University and 3 years in government.
Yes.
Now, correct? If I'm not wrong, I think every state is different. Somewhere it is 3 years in government sector, somewhere it is 2 years. That you have to check. And if you're good enough, you can score high and you can opt into the government itself, government seat itself. So then you no need to worried about this. But if you are not good with your merit, with your academics, with your study, keep the list of all the deemed universities. Deemed university where you can go for masters. Check the fees differences, check the amenities, check their libraries. You check the difference and which is more accessible for you, then you can go there for
Okay.
doing your master. Again, masters, you really require a very good mentor who can guide you throughout your masteries. And after that, you can complete your PhD. Again, PhD is a 3 to 5 years course. It's depend from university. It get differ from university to universities. And the fee structures also differ. So it is completely depend on your financial condition, financial status, where how long you want to study. Mostly in faculties, we are focusing on publication. Article publication is very much important, where we people are giving more importance in them. And you have to keep updating yourself in terms of these articles. What are the research is going on? Your research topic should be very good in academics. When you want to complete your masters, you want to go for a professor job, associate professor jobs, or even if you are working with as an assistant professor. At the end, if you are good in academics, you can achieve the HOD department. You can handle the department of the
Yes.
physiotherapy. Now, now once this is done with the academics, well, the most challenging, which is some people they have financial trouble, so people cannot go for their further studies, masters. For them, the people who want to start from scrap. Scrap means आपके पास कुछ finance नहीं, you don't have any finance to start. What is your minimum budget? If your minimum budget for say is 10,000, how to start? Where to start the physiotherapy clinic? For that, you have to do first research in your own area. Check the number of hospitals. Make a list of number of hospital. Maybe it is general, maybe it is multi-speciality, maybe it is orthopedic, maybe it is purely gynec related. Where I am working, there I have 2-3 hospitals of orthopedic. Gynec hospital, women's health hospital is also there. That is the main reason I told the scope in female women's health is improving. So just keep the list of all the hospitals. After listing, list all the clinics in whatever clinic you have in your area. After that, what you have to do is prepare your own visiting card and the leaflet. Once you are prepared with your leaflet, you can distribute to the newspaper wala and he will distribute the leaflet around and among your own area where you are residing. Visiting card, you have to carry your own visiting card, go and meet the general physician of your areas, drop your visiting card, meet them when they are not practicing, when they are free, so that you can have one-on-one words with them. You can explain them what is physiotherapy, because many people, they don't know what is the main role. Basically, now maximum people know, but still you cannot say. Once that is done, prepare the list of accessories, minimum accessories, which you can carry for your home visit.
Okay.
For example, TheraBand, weight cuff, portable machine, different portable machines. For example, you can take the smaller Surge Faraday and galvanic current, which is a stimulator. Once, then portable ultrasound. You can carry all this thing. You can advertise, and for community spread, for community publicity about your own self, you can arrange camps in collaboration with the clinics, or you can do the camps in individual societies in every week. So every week, what you have to do, you just have to go one and one. You have to cover one and one society. If you cannot do that, just keep one camp in a 1 month. So you will get maximum patient in those camps. And the third important thing which is going to help you, that is mouth to mouth publicity. If you are giving a good service to the patient, they will definitely ask you, they will come back to you, and they will definitely do the publicity for you indirectly. Without your knowing, they will definitely do this. So the thing, this you can start. If you want to put a clinic, even again you have to do the area. Just check the area. Check if you can achieve the on rented basis also. You can start up your own polyclinic where you can sit for consultation 2 hours or 3 hours. Get attached to the hospitals which is nearby you. If you are not getting regular patients in the hospitals, for example, it's not an orthopedic hospital, it is a multi-speciality hospital. So in multi-speciality hospitals, you may switch there on call basis. From there, you will get a good result. You will get an on-call home visits. So from there, you can start up. This is how you can start your own career. Okay. Pranuti, do you have any questions right now?
Yes, actually the one first question is before, as I said before, some people are right now into internship. So they are confused whether they should directly go to complete masters, or should they take a break and they should have a good experience for like a year or so, and then they should go for masters. So what would you suggest?
For them, it is like if they want to go, if the interest in faculty, if their interest is to being a professor, then don't waste time. They can directly take the admission in master. But if, as I told you, if they are going through financial crisis, they don't have money, let them work for 1 year and then they can resume back. They can take admissions for the masters. But mostly I will advise, even for the clinical job, if anyone is resuming, they resume to the clinic, but after completing their master. This is what I feel.
Okay.
And for clinic, it is very much important. You have to keep updating yourself. What is coming new research, evidence-based practice, because when you are in clinic, it is completely your hands-on skill. Completely hands-on skill. So whatever new techniques are arising, you should know. So how you are going to get updated with this new technique? It is workshop. You can attend workshop. You can attend conferences. Now the trend, it is webinar trend, online lectures. You can update, because this is a very good time where you can come back to your study. Basically, otherwise clinician, they don't get time to come and to brush up their things. Workshop is a very good things actually. Their maximum clinician, they do their revisions in workshop itself.
Okay.
Any more questions? Just see.
Yeah, actually there is another question. Like as you said that you need to post flyers and visiting cards. Okay, but some people are like that, like of the opinion that they feel little bit underconfident. They're not confident right now that after completing internship they will be directly able to join a job, or they'll be directly able to practice.
Okay. So for this, the answer is like, as I told you, prepare the list of clinics, prepare the list of hospitals. If you find any hospital or any clinic which is under physiotherapy management, where you had a physiotherapist, you can go there. You can observe there. You can check how the lady is managing clinic, how she is getting interactions with the other doctors, because sometimes doctors are going to refer in 3 months, 6 months, whatever you are doing observationship under the clinic, they will definitely guide you. On the observation basis also, you will learn many things in the clinic. Okay. If you have less, still you have to take this attempt. And see, until you are not promoting yourself in the market, why people will come to you? Did you
Yes.
get my point? If you are not that confident, if you're not that confident, then do small this visit. Just first take your visiting card, give it to the receptionist, ask her whether the sir is free or not, whether doctors are free or not. If they are free, they will definitely going to attend you. And that's what I told you. Don't go under clinical time. What their clinical time is when they are seeing maximum patient is 7 to 9. Go after that only, or go before 7 o'clock to meet them,
Okay.
because that's your clinical
Yeah.
time also. Did you
Okay.
get my point?
Yes.
Or else, second thing, you can take the you can take the visiting card of the same doctors. You can call them what time they are free. You go and had casual, just meet it once.
Okay.
इनिशियली आपको डर लगेगा प्रणोति, ठीक है, मे बी यू आर अंडर कॉन्फिडेंट for at the first attempt, but later on you the confidence will getting started developing. And then
Okay.
second thing, as I told you, you are promoting yourself when you want to work in a clinic, correct? You have to promote. Where you have to promote? कहाँ promotion करना है आपको? Hospitals में आपको बताना है. Hospital में कैसे बताओगे? How you are going to resume the job there? By dropping your CVs or resuming there, correct?
Yes.
वहां पे भी आप अपना कार्ड डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर सकते हो. यू कैन पुट योर विजिटिंग कार्ड इन दी हॉस्पिटल ऑल्सो. ठीक है,
Okay.
यू कैन मीट द डॉक्टर, मीट द ऑर्थोपेडिक सर्जन्स, मीट द gynec, meet the obstetricians where you who can refer you the
Yeah.
cases. Meet them. Okay.
Okay.
Take their numbers. Just message them. What time, sir, are you free? I am so and so physiotherapist. I just want to meet you. They will definitely
Okay.
going to attend you. They will definitely going to meet you. Okay.
Okay.
Now कैंप्स इज अगेन इम्पोर्टेंट. कैंप में बहुत अच्छा रिस्पॉन्स आता है. वी आई नो वॉट आई हैड डिड द कैंप दैट टाइम. I didn't expect there will be 55 patients, and then from 55 patients I get merely 4 to 5 home visits from that 55 patients. You just think about it. And in the doing camp, it rarely had any expenses. You are having BP apparatus, correct?
Yes.
You are having BP apparatus. Take a weight machine where you check the weight. We are checking, we are calculating BMR, BMD and everything, correct? Take a BP, take everything, take the clinical examination in this camp. It is very, very cheap, and you can keep a clinical exercise time when all the participants are, they are coming. Keep 1 session of free exercise for them. For example, for whatever people who are coming there, they have neck pain. Make a group of 5 people or 10 people, whoever having neck pain, accumulate them and start giving exercises as a demo. Demo lectures कैसे देते हैं हम? किसी भी स्टूडेंट ट्रैक करना, तो आई विल definitely give a demo lectures. Then अगर उनको अच्छा लगेगा, then they will resume it. In the same way, if they find your service is good, definitely you will get a patients, correct? हेलो हेलो. हाँ, अभी can we have next question?
Yeah, ma'am. Ma'am, there is one common question which is like famous since our days actually. It is
Okay.
like, can physiotherapists use doctor prefix?
हेलो हेलो.
Yeah, we can hear you. As I said,
हाँ.
there is a very famous question. Can physiotherapists use doctor prefix?
See, it is see, right now, as per, if you go, every state has their own this thing, opinion. Judgment का जो अभी every judge and every council, where it is council, if they are allowing you, you apply that DR, doctors in prefix. But if any council of that particular state, it is not allowing you, then don't put it.
Okay.
Okay, right now, recently one case has happened in Bangalore. The girl has put prefix doctor. Someone has put allegations and case कर दिया उसके ऊपर. वहां से सुप्रीम कोर्ट का ये वो बैंगलोर कोर्ट का कुछ ऑर्डर निकला that she cannot. So if your state council is permitting you to add doctor as a prefix, then use it. Otherwise, don't use it.
Okay.
Until unless क्यों आपको किसी इसमें पढ़ना है, just put either doctor or either PT is enough.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Take the next
Ma'am.
question.
Okay. Yeah. Ma'am, what you think? Like, I am aware of it, but still, my people want to know what will be the salary after they complete BPT and MPT.
See, it is completely on the area where you are working. Okay? And if it is too much of this urban side, they will give you a very good salary. If you are skilled enough, you had a very hands-on practice. If you are good enough, then they can give you salary till 35 also, 40 also. I had seen people, physiotherapists receiving 40,000 also. But as you go in the town area थोड़ा गांव साइड में है या मेट्रोपोलिक नहीं है वो एरिया, देयर यू chances of getting salary is less because people awareness is different. Now, my clinic is at Kalwa. So there I am charging as a consulting as 1,000 rupees. But if you go to Thane clinic, they are minimum their first day they are charging 1,200. Go to BKC, they are charging 5,000. So it is completely depend on the area where you are residing.
Okay.
Second thing, your skill is also good. If you are very much skilled, आपका हाथ अच्छा है, patients are coming towards you, and if you are in pain and if you relieve them from that pain, they will definitely going to pay you 1,000 rupees also. That is for sure. But the thing is, you should promote yourself in that way. This is important. Okay, the salary completely depend on the area where you are working, how much the hospital is charging from them. Now, I know there's a clinic in Mulund who is using matrix therapy. They are charging per patient 2,500. Salary given to the physiotherapist that time, it was merely 18,000 rupees. And they were asking her also to write dissertation or thesis on matrix will increase your salary. So it is sometimes depend what area to whom under you are working, whether it is clinical setup or it is corporate setups. Corporate setups may definitely you have a chances of getting good salaries, but when you are getting into clinic, salary get limited because patients क्या आ रहे हैं, कितना आ रहा है, how much you are charging, then how much you are delivering. It is completely depend from therapist to therapist how much they want to pay. Now there are many people who are, they are just completed their Ayurvedic and they are appointing a physiotherapist in their clinic. If you will go to that clinic, you will not get salary. They are just giving 7,000, 8,000. So rather than working there, you start your own setup. That will be my advice. If you want to get exploit for ourselves. और अगर मुझे हार्डवर्क करना है तो मैं अपने लिए हार्डवर्क करूंगी. Why I will do hard work for that Ayurvedic clinic? There are many Ayurvedic doctors who are doing this. Next question.
Ma'am, what about the entrance exams after MPT?
Mm-hmm.
Ma'am,
See,
if you want to
entrance
drink
for the
water,
government.
you should. There are many people, they are like, she needs to drink water. So if you want to take a pause and drink water, we'll wait.
Yeah, actually, I need break. Okay.
Yeah. Yes, guys, till then, any more questions? Just come up with questions, so I'll ask her. And sorry, no IGTV after this session. Sorry. Yes. Any entrance exam after BPT or MPT? Yes. And could you mention all diploma or workshops can we do after BPTH? Okay, we'll ask her. Anything more? Yeah.
Thank
Yeah,
you
ma'am.
so
Can
much.
you have holded it again in portrait? Can you just change your
Okay.
direction of yes?
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah.
Now,
Yeah, fine. Okay. So, ma'am, we want to know what about the entrance exam that we are supposed to give after BPT or MPT for MPT.
see, again, entrance exam, it is different. For government, you know, you have to check what time the form are they are getting dispatched, and then you have to fill and submit it there. But when you are going for a deemed university, the entrance criteria is different. They will have their separate date and separate examination. That's what I told you. If you are good enough in study, you can achieve the seat in government itself. So government का exams का form निकलता है. That you have to check. Okay. Or if you want to take admission, suppose if you didn't crack the government and you have to take the admissions for the deemed university. So every deemed university, they also keep their entrance examination, get appear for that entrance examination, and then get enrolled on the topic of your the subject in which you have a interest.
Okay. Ma'am,
Next
and
question.
how are we supposed to, yes, how are we supposed to choose the right college for MPT?
The right college to choose. See, you can check the gradings of the universities. Okay, so if you see, every university has their own grading. A grade होता है, B grade होता है, C grade होता है. That you can check online. A grade, check for what it is A grade. Check for what it is B grade. Check for what why it is C grade. अभी जो नया नया यूनिवर्सिटीज आया है, जो न्यूली ओपन कॉलेजेस है, वहां पे ग्रेडिंग्स कम होंगे, वहां पे फैसिलिटीज कम होंगे फिजियोथेरेपी के. दैट्स व्हाट आई टोल्ड यू व्हेन यू आर टेकिंग एडमिशन. For example, you are want to take admissions in the deemed university. Keep a list of all the deemed universities. Check their fees. Check their ambiances. Check their libraries. See all the differences. If you want, you can visit that place also, and then you decide it. गवर्नमेंट में आपको बहुत अच्छा लाइब्रेरी, बहुत अच्छा फूड कैंटीन नहीं मिलेगा, ठीक है. बट इफ वंस यू गेट क्रैक, गवर्नमेंट हॉस्पिटल में आपको बहुत सारे पेशेंट्स मिलेंगे. यू विल डेफिनेटली गेट अ गुड एक्सपीरियंस देयर. ओके.
Yes.
वर्क एक्सपीरियंस बहुत अच्छा मिलेगा आपको वहां पे गवर्नमेंट में. वहां पे 3 years का होता है, एज आई टोल्ड यू.
Yes.
ओके. सो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन.
मैम, आपने जैसे अभी बोला, the right now you mentioned that if you want to apply for government job, you should check the. I'm so sorry. I keep on dropping
Okay.
my phone. If you want to go for government thing, you should go check the website. So basically, can you give us an idea like which website we should go and we should check that the information will be available?
You can search in Google here at www.nci.gov.in करके आता है website. You will find it, all the website. Don't worry. As you log in, you will get it.
Okay.
गवर्नमेंट के लिए. और गवर्नमेंट का एग्जाम्स निकलता है जब भी 12th के बाद या बीपीटी के बाद निकलता है, तो हर एक स्टेट का ये यू विल फाइंड इट इन द न्यूज़पेपर. जो लोकल न्यूज़पेपर होता है वहां पे भी निकलता है, वेबसाइट में रिफ्लेक्ट होता है.
Okay.
अगर आपका कोई कांटेक्ट है तो यू विल गेट एन अपडेट इन द सेम कॉलेज.
Okay. Ma'am, and there is someone asking, can we practice as a physiotherapist after we complete BPT in abroad? Like abroad में काम कर सकते हैं क्या BPT complete करने के बाद?
Abroad, I told you it is a very big topic. We'll cover in the next webinar. And second thing, if you want to, as I told, if you want to work as well as you want to study, there are different criteria for different countries. We have to check the eligibility. Suppose you want to work in California and you want to study also in California. So you have to go to their site, which university you are selecting. Those university will revert you all the criterias. All the criteria, they may require your LOR, letter of recommendation लगेगा. बोलेंगे इस वीजा पे आना है, स्टूडेंट वीजा पे आना है. अगर स्टूडेंट वीजा पे गए तो you cannot do job there.
Yes.
So they will revert you all the criteria. what to
Okay.
do, how to do everything. और उनका जो eligibility है that you have to achieve है. आपके academics अच्छे होने चाहिए, research topic अच्छा होना चाहिए. They will see, they will select, they will give you every idea and then you can go there.
Okay.
Hmm.
Ma'am,
We
and
will
this
cover this.
yes, sure,
We'll
sure.
cover this in next webinar. Abroad and
Okay,
everything
sure.
we can cover there. Hmm.
Okay, so basically we will have a different webinar on especially for people who want to go abroad.
Exactly.
Okay, sure.
Exactly.
Not an
We'll
issue.
keep
I'll
another
organize that.
webinar.
Sure, sure. I'll
Hmm.
organize that. And
Hmm.
one more thing, like as you
Hmm.
said, you have your own clinic in Kalyan. Oh, sorry, Kalwa. Am I right?
Kalma.
Yeah.
Hmm.
So if I want to start my own clinic, where should I start from? Like the license needed for the clinic, or some like how am I supposed to start with it
See,
basically from the scratch?
first thing is that if you have completed your graduation and if you had your this license, अगर आपको मिल गया है council का, अगर if you had a small budget, start with polyclinic. Just sit for 2 hours, work as a physiotherapist there, and then you can leave. अगर आपका budget अच्छा है, and as I told you, you have to prepare you have to check the area. वहाँ का area का rent कितना चल रहा है. Check with that. Once you come to know कि area का rent कितना है, you have an idea कि आपको डालना है या नहीं डालना है. अभी फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ यू आर वर्किंग विद अ पॉलीक्लिनिक में रेंट बहुत कम होता है. 1 month का I am paying 4,000 here because that is a peak time when I am practicing. और वो पूरा हॉस्पिटल वाला ये है कमर्शियल कॉम्प्लेक्स है वेर आई एम वर्किंग. इसलिए रेंट थोड़ा हाई है वहां पे 4,000 है. बट कहीं कहीं से 1,000 है, कहीं 2,000 है. तो यू कैन स्टार्ट फ्रॉम पॉलीक्लिनिक इफ योर बजट इज स्मॉल. बट अगर बजट अच्छा है आपका, यू कैन पे रेंट फॉर 10,000 17,000 फॉर दैट एरिया. क्योंकि ऐसे एरिया में आपको पेशेंट से यू कैन चार्ज देम नाइसली. डिड यू गेट माई पॉइंट?
Yes,
I
yes.
am how I am managing. I am working in hospital for 5 hours. उसके बाद में I am seeing my home visit and then I am taking care of my clinic. I am working as a consultant there. Then I am coming back to my home. So in one day I can easily manage 4 home visit, my 4 to 5 hours hospital, and then 2 hours of my clinic. This is how I manage. There are many people who resume hospital also, they keep their full-time clinic also. Once they keep the full-time clinic, what they are doing is they are hiring the physiotherapist. They will give 3,000 4,000 whatever. They will keep them and they themselves resume the hospital. हॉस्पिटल रेज्यूम होने से क्या होता है, अगर आप ऑर्थोपेडिक हॉस्पिटल है तो वहां से आपको पेशेंट्स आने के बहुत अच्छे चांसेस रहते हैं. डेफिनेटली द पीपल यू कैन कीप एन ऑप्शन ना. यहाँ पे नहीं जम रहा तो चलो ये टाइम पे मेरे
Yes.
क्लिनिक में आके यू कम देयर एंड टेक द ट्रीटमेंट. So this is how it's work. It is completely depend on your financial status, where you can pay 17,000 as a rent or you just want to pay 2,000 rent or 4,000 rent. Completely depend on you. Again, आपको एरिया का सर्वे करना पड़ेगा, वेर यू आर रिसाइडिंग वहां का रेट क्या चल रहा है फुल
Okay.
टाइम. चेक फॉर द पॉलीक्लिनिक. दोनों नहीं है, घर से स्टार्ट करो, सबसे बेस्ट.
And
नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखो.
yes, yes. The thing is, there are people asking like, what is better? What will be more benefit us? Government job or private job?
It is completely different. I am not
Yes.
preferring government job because I am earning nicely in my practice. So I will not go for government job. गवर्नमेंट जॉब का कैसा होता है कि थोड़ा कॉन्ट्रैक्ट बेसिस अभी आ गया है.
Yeah,
They will
ma'am,
keep
can you
you.
talk in, can you convert it in English because many of them don't understand Hindi.
क्या बोल रहे हैं आप?
Can you just talk in English because many people don't understand English over here.
Okay,
Can
okay.
you talk in English?
See,
Many people don't get Hindi.
okay. See what happened in government job. Again, they have age criteria. They have work experience, how much you have studies, and when the recruitment happened, they will check everything and then they will recruit you. Salary, what government people are giving is again minimum 7,000, 10,000, depend on your this qualification, your age, your experience, and then slowly 3 years, 4 years, जब उनका 6th पे 7th पे होता है तभी. Any next question?
Yes. There is some question. How will you start? How are we supposed to start preparation for PG CET?
For post
For
graduation?
post graduation CET. Basically, the entrance
Post
exam for
graduation,
CET they want to talk about.
see, you can, if you are into government hospital, if you want to prepare, you have to be very much dedicated to your own study. Your clinical experience, clinical judgment, then biomechanical things. Matlab knowledge, you have to be very good on your academics. That is the first thing is there when you want to prepare. Then
Okay.
select a subject which is you have the area where you have most interest. You can select the subject. You can keep on the priority. Weak subject, again keep on the priority. Cover one topic from here and one topic from here. Do 1 day revision here, 1 day revision here. Then 1 day you can keep just you can check yourself for the vivas, and you can interact. You can go for a group studies if you want to prepare. This is how, if I have to prepare for my PG entrance, I was preparing with the group. The 2, 3 people were there. We had enrolled together. But we had enrolled
Okay.
for the Deemed University, not the government university. We didn't score that good. But we were doing group studies. We were seeing videos. We had attended more of workshops. When we are attending the workshops, many things get clear because I know how much college people or college faculties are focusing on studies. We, as a student, have to study 80% of the section. Only we are getting 20% as a lecture, 20% in a case discussion. I think that is also more than enough for us. When you are studying in a group, you are distributing one topic. If you have 2 people are there, you study biomechanics, I'll study pathomechanics. I will explain you pathomechanics, you explain me biomechanics. You can check the videos, you can go through, learn from the videos. But video is like, you cannot depend on the videos. Many times, how reliable is the video, we cannot say. If you are studying through videos, just check, just go through once the book and then check it out whether what they are showing, whether it is demonstrated in that way or not. If anything is tough to understand, we can go through this thing. Even I know I had studied maximum biomechanics in this way. I used to study through the video and then I used to study the book.
Okay.
One time I studied, I understand less. Second time I study, I understand more. Third time, when you discuss, you study more.
Okay.
Group study is going to help you in the preparation. Then, if it is MCQs, solve maximum MCQs. Try to, try to just grasp what it has written, the word what it has written, because you hardly have 10 seconds to answer one MCQs, correct? 25
Okay.
marks ka you have an MCQs and then 75 marks. This entrance may maximum it is MCQs. It is not the written one. If it has a negative marking, don't attempt the wrong one. That is what I can advise.
Okay.
Okay. If
Yeah.
you are not sure, don't attempt, because if they have a negative marking, your score is going to decline there.
Okay.
Hmm.
I would like to, some people have arrived late actually, so I would like to answer one question personally. There are people asking
Hmm.
what are the exams you're supposed to give after BPT. So this is my personal thing. Well, every college actually, few college have their own entrance exams. So you need to check their
Exactly.
website. So you need to check their websites. So once they have started with the entrance exam, their website will show you that they have started with the entrance exam. You can fill up the form online. You can pay the fee, whatever minimum fee they have asked for,
Exactly.
and you can just give the entrance exam whatever date is possible according to the college. So that is basically the basic funda to try go for MPTH exam, entrance exam. So, Sita ma'am, we have another question here. As we are
Hmm.
talking about clinics, there are many people who are more excited for clinics. They want to be their own boss. So
Okay.
they are right now not aware how difficult it's going to be. So the thing is, they want to know what kind of a license or certification is needed when you start a clinic, basically.
License, as I told you, if you have your state council, get
Yes,
registered with the state council. That is important.
yes,
If you have no state council, get attached to the IAP, because right now they are the maximum people who are enrolled into that, and the association is old enough to recognize. If you have
okay,
state council, get attached to the state council, then IAP is not required.
okay.
Only OTPT registration. In Maharashtra, it is OTPT
Maharashtra is
registration.
OTPT, yes,
OTPT.
yes.
Gujarat has its own council, so you have to register in the Gujarat council. That's it.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Right now, Madhya Pradesh has own council, so get registered yourself
Yes,
in
just
Madhya
attend
Pradesh
their own.
council, and then you can start up your clinic. You can start practicing. There is no problem at all.
Okay.
But better,
Yeah,
I will advise you, you go do bit of observationship in any physiotherapy clinic. You will learn how you are managing patient. Suppose you have only 2 hours, and this thing you will learn in clinic. In 2 hours, you have to manage 8 patients. How you are going to manage? Clinic is small. This thing you will learn in clinic only. So if you're doing observation for 1 month, 2 months in any physiotherapy clinic, it will going to help you
yes.
in time management, which is very important. Because I am doing the same thing. I am just working for 2 hours. I have 8 patients. Sometimes I have 10 patients in the 2 hours. And I have to sort out all those 2 hours in 2 hours, all those 10 patients, 8 patients in this 2 hours. So you should be able to manage those time, which is very much important.
Okay. So now to some people, I'll give you a quick revise because there are people asking the same questions again and again. So first thing, before you
Mhm.
open your clinic, as ma'am said, you before you open your clinic or you join a hospital, or before you open your clinic, basically, you need to get some experience. So concentrate a lot on your internship. Internship is very important as a physiotherapist. Every doctor, internship is very important. So concentrate on your internship and experience. Second thing, government and private job salaries. As a physiotherapist, even I guess Sita ma'am will say the same that private people actually earn more than government people, I would say. No doubt, if you want to go for government, yes, you can, no doubt. If you want to go for government, like government jobs or you want to plan masters from government, you go to your government website. Okay, every paper, I guess every person on this right now will have a computer at home, laptop at home, or on phone. You can go Google it, Google your
Yes,
government
yes.
website. Yes, and you will get it. Second thing, or if you don't get it, I'll post it on WhatsApp on our WhatsApp groups. Right now, you won't believe, Sita, I'm having 4 WhatsApp groups related Dr. Physio page. So another thing is, what is better, IAP or state council? People, IAP and state council are two different things. Okay, so if
Hmm.
you want to open your clinic, you basically need your state council registration. Okay, so you need to search that does your state have a council? Okay, so if your state has a council, like for example, I am practicing in Mumbai, it's in Maharashtra. Maharashtra has its OTPT council. So if I want to open my
Exactly.
clinic, I would go for my state council first. I will register myself as a physiotherapist over there, and then I can proceed with the clinic thing, as ma'am said. Now, ma'am have
Hello.
if you want masters, am I audible?
Hello, Pranuti, I can't hear you actually.
For masters,
Hello,
you people can search, see the college website. You need
hello,
to see the college websites.
hello.
Your video,
Your voice
yeah.
is breaking, Pranuti.
Yes, yes,
Your
yes,
voice is
yes.
breaking. I can't hear you.
Okay. Am I audible now?
Yeah, you are audible now.
Okay. So people who want to go for masters, if you want to search for entrance exams, every college has their own entrance exams. Okay. So you
Exactly.
need to check their websites for the entrance exam. Okay. I guess they appear around July end or August. August start something. Okay. And then
When you are
something.
checking for any admission, as I told you, prepare a list. Check the
Yes.
this thing, and you are going through there. There will give the entrance examination. The option will reflect. They will
Yes.
reflect there. They have some examination fees also, entrance examination fees, which you have to pay. Then they will revert you the date on the examination. You have to go there and you have to you have to prepare the exam. Did
Okay.
you get my point?
Yes.
When
Yes.
you go to the website, you will get all the information. Your entrance fees kitna hai, how much is the entrance fees, how much, when is the exam is going to conduct. They will give each and everything. And maximum times exams I had seen in Deemed University, they have their own criteria. They keep the dates are different so that it didn't get clashed. So people can easily attempt it for Deemed
Okay.
University.
Okay. And one last thing, I want to give you an announcement. We will have a separate session very soon, very soon. We'll have a separate session how to choose the field for masters and how to go abroad. Okay. Once you complete your BPT, how can you fetch a abroad job? What will be the procedure, what license and what will be the process? I will let you all know. Okay. Fine then. I guess we have ended up with our questions. For next few minutes, I'll keep my WhatsApp. I put it on admin post right now, so I'll change it to audience. It is not to be very honest, Sita ma'am, it is not possible to answer 250 people at the same time. So I change it to admin. So I'll change it to participants for next few minutes. Please put your feedbacks and more questions, and we'll get back to you. Okay. Fine then. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you talking to us non-stop. Thank you so much. Yeah. Chalo. Bye. 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 Thank you.